Yeah.
Tearing down this forest.
Yeah. We gone to Banff earlier today. Now we're doing the
Are you on the phone right now?
nope.
Oh,
Vlogging,
hello.
brother. We're doing the Sulphur Mountain Trail. It should be fun. Got a little chillier, and then got a little rainier. So we all put on jackets, isn't that right, Julio?
So true, bro.
But we're super close to the
Look at
top.
that rainbow there.
Where? Bro, you keep saying rainbows? I can't see shit.
Dude, look at the rainbow.
Oh, there it is. I see it now. Bro, I'm blind as shit. Sheesh. Bro, it's so hot. Yeah, what he did.
What are you gonna do?
Do whatever you want, fam.
Oh, that is so cool.
All this, you can see the whole city. It's so sick.
So
I think way over there, that lake is Lake Johnson. Go swimming over there. So there's like a restaurant underneath downstairs. You can buy like coffee and shit. Then you go on the 4th floor, and there's views for days. Up here, we just had some lunch. Now me, James, and Billy are gonna run up there real quick, take some pictures, see the town, see the rest of the valley. But yeah, I also had chicken salad for the first time. It's good. I fuck with chicken salad. Alan doesn't know how to turn off auto flash on the camera.
Yeah, when it's on.
So he's calling his friend whose camera it is to see how to fix it.
I don't really see the point of it shooting flash.
Wannabe photographer.
I looked at it.
See the entire valley. It's so sick.
Flash off.
And then over here,
LMAO King, come on.
entire town of Banff. Sick. We were over there on the 4th floor. Didi and Nikki are supposed to be over there, but I do not see them. So maybe they went inside because it's a little chilly. But yeah, this view's sick. So sick. Alright. We're on the way down. Should take maybe hour and a half, 2 hours?
2 hours down, maybe?
Bro, chipmunk right behind you.
Yeah, I see him.
Bro, you almost stepped on him. The snack of the trip so far is the
Worms.
twin
Snakes?
snakes, brother. Come on.
No, these are good. The orange ones, though?
They're good.
The orange ones are the best.
No, red and blue for sure, brother.
Green and yellow.
Orange,
You're
bro.
crazy. Well, we got done hiking, and now we're going to the Patagonia store. Hopefully we can find some cool things. It's cheaper in Canada, so it'll be nice to get a few things. Patagonia store was hella expensive, but instead we went to Lululemon, and I think it's cheaper prices than in the States, but I also don't buy Lululemon, so. But got Josh a jacket. It's kind of a nice little jacket, actually. It's kind of soft, really soft, actually. But yeah, now I think we're gonna go find some grub in Banff, and then make our way to Canmore for nighttime.
Low loop. They can go down easier.
Shut up.
Did you touch
I
it?
didn't want to smack it.
But did you touch
I
it?
think I.
Nice. What do you want me to do?
Carry it.
Bro, but you're doing great. We went to Safeway. Got some groceries. Now we're gonna go home finally. I think I'm gonna shower, go to bed. We got a long day ahead of us tomorrow. But yeah, first day, pretty cool. That's it. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want feast, get the animal fries. Put her on her back like Charles Dupont. I get so